I was like, I don't do it for the men, sweetie. I do it for myself, the girls and the gays, and that's it. Period. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn, and welcome back to another Jordyn video. So today we're going to be doing a back to school emergency kit. This video is one of my most popular back to school videos. You guys love it so much, and a lot of you guys have been asking me to do it on TikTok, on Instagram, on everywhere that I am. Yeah, this year it's gonna be a little different because, you know, everything's going on, so I added a few different items in there. But before we get started, Selena wanted to say hi from TikTok. If you know, you know. If you don't, go follow me on TikTok and also Instagram. She's not there, but it doesn't hurt. So this is my emergency kit. It's just from Target. It says, "Hello, gorgeous and gold glitter with a mint background." So inside, ooh. So first we have a hair tie, and hair ties really come in handy if, one, your hair is just getting annoying, like it's just getting in your way, and especially if you have really long hair, or two, you wanted your hair down that day but you have PE and it's gonna be even more annoying at PE and you need it in a ponytail. Also to help other girls out. And then we have some perfume. This one is champagne, apple, and honey. Body spray really helps for before or after PE, especially after. If you have classes after, if you don't want to stink, just to freshen up. If you feel like you stink, you could just do a couple of sprays. But do mind about who you're spraying next to. Just be careful about who you spray next to because some people can have allergies to this. And then we have a charger. Woo woo! If you're by a plug or in a classroom, you can just quickly charge your phone if it's dying. It's just a charger, just in case. I know some teachers don't let you, but it's just in case, because some might, some may not, for some reason, I don't know. Or if you need it at lunch, a lot of school buildings have like outlets outside. You can try plugging it in. We have some gum. So I would kind of recommend mint gum more than a flavored gum. But for me, flavored is nice. I don't know. It's just something to chew on if you're allowed to. A lot of schools don't allow stuff. But mint gum can really help if you just feel like your breath is nasty. Or after lunch, if your breath, you know, is nasty. Maybe you ate something. Maybe you ate a tuna sandwich and you stink. So it can just help freshen up your mouth. Then we have Burt's Bees chapstick. Chapstick really comes in handy, especially for me. I remember on the first day of school, I forgot my chapstick and my lips were so chapped and I wanted chapstick so bad. It was not a good time. Always bring chapstick just in case, because if your lips are dry, one, they can be annoying, two, they can hurt, three, they can bleed, and four, people will look at you weird. Like, why is her lips white? Why do her lips look like the Sahara Desert? Then we have a portable charger, and this is just if you can't find any other charging outlets that don't work, or if you're not allowed to bring your actual charger in the classroom. If you're not allowed it, you can just plug it in and then hide it in your backpack. Sneak on the sneak. Then we have a scrunchie, and a scrunchie could also just be used to tie up your hair, but to look a little bit more aesthetic, or on your wrist to look a little bit more aesthetic. Then we have more chapstick. More the merrier, am I right? But this one smells like strawberries, so it's better. And lotion. Oh, lotion. So lotion, some days I was ashy, and luckily I had friends that had lotion that I could use their lotion from. But some days I was ashy, and it's super embarrassing, especially if you have like basketball practice or soccer practice or any practice where you have to wear shorts and you're ashy. It's embarrassing. But yeah, you can also...
Even though your mom tells you to put lotion on before school.
Sometimes I just
Don't listen.
So this could also work for your hands because my hands sometimes get really dry for like, I don't know why. Even when I put lotion on them, they just feel dry and it's just super annoying and just gets in the way, and I literally can't focus on anything but my hands being dry. And it sucks even more if you don't have lotion with you. Then we have some lens wipes. I wear glasses, so sometimes my lens can fog up. I feel like I got a burp. Excuse me. So lens wipes, just to wipe your lens if they're foggy and dirty, or if you're crying and now you got tears on your glasses. I know from experience. No, I don't.
Right, baby.
And next we have deodorant, and I found this super cute mini one at Target. Look how cute it is. It's so tiny. This one is coconut and vanilla and deodorant. I would advise you to bring like this deodorant and not the spray one, especially at PE, because a lot of girls use the spray one at my PE and the teacher got mad at them because, you know, the air. I don't know, some kids are allergic to it, I guess. So this one to not get you in trouble, because I got in trouble for using it before. I remember I used spray in class because I felt musty and some kids were like, who's using fragrance? So then we have Carmex, more chapstick, because this is classic lip balm medicated. I didn't know it had medicine.
How many do you need? You don't need that many.
Oh, then we have lip gloss. Lip gloss can go in handy if you just want a little spice. If you want to, you know, glam yourself up. I wear lip gloss to school sometimes, and I was putting lip gloss on because my lip gloss ran out on my lips. So I put more on, and some girl was like, why are you putting lip gloss on? And I said, because it's sparkly. And then she was like, do you like a boy or something? And I was like, I don't do it for the men, sweetie. I do it for myself, the girls and the gays, and that's it. Period. And then we got money. Money at school is kind of important if you want to buy snacks and stuff like that.
That money is not for snacks.
Snacks and food is an emergency.
No, it is not.
Anyway, what I was saying. So, yeah, if you money for emergencies or snacks if you want to buy some snacks. And yeah, money can really help you out. Yeah, in New York, in Newport. So we have a Medi Wiper, and these are wipes, especially during the, if you know what I mean. This can really help if you're going back to school to wipe your desk down every time if you switch classes, which you probably won't. But just wipe it down when you come in that day, wipe your seat down, wipe your pencils down. I'm just kidding, you don't have to do that. But, you know, wipe stuff down. You don't want these kids nasty, nasty germs, because you don't know what be happening. Some kids don't wash their hands, which is very nasty. So yeah, use this. Don't trust anyone. Always wipe it down. Good advice from Jordyn. We have a floss, and floss is good for after lunch, you know, to get all the gunky stuff out of your teeth, because you don't want stuff between your teeth. And yeah, just floss and picks, get all that stuff out of your teeth. So next we have AirPods, and AirPods are good if you want to listen to some music, if you have to watch a video for class. Just, you don't have to have AirPods, you can literally have any headphones. Headphones that connect to your computer, if you have a school computer, can really help, you know, for listening to videos, so you don't have to listen to them out loud and you can barely hear your own audio. So yeah, but just get some headphones. Next we have hand sanitizer, and hand sanitizer is good again for if you touch something or if you're leaving class or leaving lunch or going to school, leaving school, just clean hands, no more germs. And we have a mask. Now this is a new essential added because, well, the eek. Just in case mask, because you're already going to be wearing one when you go to school. But if something happens to your mask, like say the strap breaks or the one you brought was too small, too big, you can just get this extra mask so you don't have to go without a mask, because that's not allowed. And last we have pads, because just in case if you get your period or something, you know, happens, you can just run to the bathroom and not use the nurses ones, because yeah. Also bring extra just in case a friend or one of your classmates or peers needs one. You know, just be nice, just help them out. So this is just a good idea to have all of this stuff in one bag, so you're not scrambling all over the place to find one thing or just to realize you don't have it after looking for it. It's just nice to keep it all in one bag and bring it to school every day, so you're not like, oh, where's my charger, looking everywhere in your backpack or something like that. And it's just really good for just in case moments. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is it. I hope you guys kind of use some of these things in your emergency kit, or if you do bring an emergency kit, tell me what things I should add to mine. You know, I might be forgetting some things. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to all that fun stuff. All that fun stuff. That one was a little raspy. All that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.